Hello YouTube, this is Prelvin Arts with another video on Amadine, and today I'm going to be showing you how to work around an importing issue. Now, I don't know if it is an importing issue with Amadine or an exporting issue from the other vector designing program, Affinity Designer. So what I'm going to be doing is exporting a file from Affinity Designer to Amadine and how we could get similar quality without having to do too much work in Amadine. So here's a little trick I found out. So here is a file that I drew in Affinity Designer, and I'm going to import it in Amadine. And I actually redrew this in Amadine, but I still want to show you the issue. So if I go up here into the document menu in Affinity Designer and click Export, I'm already under SVG, and so I'm going to press OK, and I'm going to give this a name. I'm going to say Angie2. Now I'm going to save it in the iCloud drive. Now I'm going to open Amadine, and I'm going to go up here into the menu, Import, File, press Angie2, and you'll see that there are some issues specifically with black outlines and also some shading. So here's how to work around that, something that I noticed. Now, something that I noticed is that the lack of compatibility was on the shirt only. And so because of this object right here, which has lowered opacity, my original guess was that maybe it is objects of different opacity that causes this lack of compatibility. But I realized it is actually clipped objects that have 100% black to it. So if I go into my color, you'll see that there is 100% black that is clipped on an object. So I'm going to just bring this color down just a little. And because it is clipped on this objects, that means that all of these other objects that are also 100% black will also have lack of compatibility. So I'm going to just select these objects. I'm not going to select all. Like, the final result is not going to be complete, just to show you. Now when we import the file in Amadine, you see the comparison now? So we'll see that this shaded object, it looks well down here, but not well up here because I only changed this part. I hope this gives you a better understanding on how to make a very small fix when exporting. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.